A lot of time, especially that when we have some toothache or some mouth sore, we can press on large intestine 4, which is just if you draw one line, a straight line from the middle of your eyes, and then cross it with the corner of our mouth. This is stomach 4. There are a lot of acupoints that we can use. One of the most easiest points that we can access is actually on our face. So our face actually has all the yang channel that converge in our head. So starting from along the nose, there are large intestine 20. A lot of time when we're especially during the change of season, we can have stuffy nose. Pressing on large intestine 20, yin xiang, can help to bring the blood flow into this area, and that can help with congestion. A lot of time, especially that when we have some toothache or some mouth sore, we can press on large intestine 4, which is just if you draw one line, a straight line from the middle of your eyes, and then cross it with the corner of our mouth. This is stomach 4. This can help with the chewing, with the mouth sore, and with that TMJ. And the other point is what I like to use is from the pubic area to the top. So one of the points is called Ren 23, Ren 24. These 2 points are very good for brain fog, or like if you had a bad night's sleep and you feel kind of heavy, you can massage the point. You can use a pen like this, or you can just use your finger and then press down. If you didn't sleep well, sometimes you can feel it being very tender, which is okay. You just want to make sure that you give it a good press and then untie the knot. So sometimes you can feel that there's a little knot over there. And then the more you massage on it or press on it, the less tension that it's gonna feel underneath your finger. That means the muscle around it is relaxed. And the other one is called GB20. So it's right next to, it's behind your neck and right beneath the mandibular angle. There's a sinking point, that's GB20. A lot of time when we have headache, especially tension headache, that's a good point as well. If you like this video, please subscribe and follow me, and I'll see you soon.